Hi, I'm Richard from David Systems and welcome back to your parameter party. Today we are looking at the parameters use plugin, use VST effects, multi-rec VST effect path, and multi-rec VST3 effect path. With these parameters you can activate the default plugins or the VST plugins in MTE. And we show you how to change the path for the VST and VST3 plugins. With use plugins you can turn the plugin support on and off. Use VST effects activates the use of external VST effects. With multi-rec VST effect path and multi-rec VST3 effect path, you can define a path for the VST and VST3 plugins. The default value for the parameter use plugins is 1, that means the plugins are activated. If you change the value to 0, you can't use any plugins anymore. Now, before we go on with the parameters, one important thing. There should be VST2 and VST3 plugins available in the folder you want to use. Now we set the use plugin and use VST effects parameter to 1 to activate both of them. When you open MTE now, you can see the default and VST3 plugins. The VST3 plugins are visible when you use the following path. And with the release 2020.1.0, you can even define multiple plugin paths. Thanks for watching this week's parameter party and don't forget David Systems listening in action.